Hello, it's Brent Schneider with Leverage and Lean, and this is the macro instructions video for the Word Quick Format button. As you navigate down this page, you're going to first see the description of this macro and what it does, and just below that, you're going to see the See It in Action video. This is the best video to watch to really see this macro in action. Just below the See It in Action, you're going to see the section where I've placed the code. This is the most important part of this page because this is the code you can start using this macro today. Before we talk more about the code, I want you to look for the first time using VBA section. There are 3 steps you must complete before we can move on. So in fact, if this is your first time using VBA, activate the developer tab, set up your macro security, and set up the resources for this macro, or else this macro is not going to run for you. Once you've done that, let's go ahead and navigate over to this code, and I want you to check for that transition of where you're selecting text to then really get your mouse pointer. Go ahead and click over here, and then you can just copy the entire code. Now, I'm going to go ahead and take us over to Word, where we're going to put in this macro to start using. I want you to navigate to your Developer tab. You can see mine is located all the way over here to the right. Once within the Developer tab, go ahead and select Visual Basic. Now, we want to paste this code into a module, and I currently don't have one available. To make one, you can go ahead and click that black drop down, and then click Module. Within Module 1, we're going to paste all of this code we've already copied, and then save and exit Visual Basic. Now, once outside of Visual Basic, I want to set up a button to quickly fire this macro. To do that, we're going to click the drop-down Customize Quick Access toolbar, navigate to More Commands. Within More Commands, I want you to click Customize Ribbon. Within the Choose Commands drop-down, we're actually going to navigate and find macros. You can see this quick format is the code we've pasted into Visual Basic. Now I want to move it over to the main tab section, and I'm actually going to create a new group to do this. And you can see there's this new group with Customize. I like to remove the new group so nothing displays under this group section, and then you can just move this up. I like to put it right in front of Font just so it's over here by the font section. Alright, and now you can actually select the quick format macro and then navigate over under your new custom section. Additionally, what I like to do is I like to change the title of this macro, make quick format 2 words, and then select a nice icon image to display with this button. Once you've set this up, go ahead and click OK, and you can see here is your new quick access button for the quick format macro. And when you really want to start using this, you can just click it. You can see it's formatted the entire section on this page. Alright, let me navigate back to this post page because I have one more section I want to show you. There's this customize section, so I've actually pointed out some code lines within this macro where I feel like you could take some time and really make this do exactly what you want. You can change the color that's being changed, the size of the font, is it bold, is it italicized, underlined. I have all of these set to false. If for some reason you want to change those to true, you can surely do that. And then change what you want the font to be once this macro has run. It's currently Times New Roman. You can change that really to whatever you want there as well. Alright, so this is all of the instructions you need to start using this macro today. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to email at brentschneider@leveragelane.com. I really appreciate you watching. Stay awesome.